Hi everyone, I'm Damien from Grafico and welcome again to the Friday Wrap. First up this week, it's another Mercedes Benz X-Class. We've had quite a few here in 2019. This one's come to us black, not quite black enough, blacking out all the badges and putting some really cool lime green factory style highlights throughout the vehicle. And not only that, we've also removed the center panel in console and fully wrapped the interior of the car in a textured carbon fiber finish. A really great way to change the whole look of the car and a really unique X-Class there. And finally this week, it's a very cool Mustang, but not a normal Mustang, it's a Mustang Bullitt, quite limited and rare and one of the only ones coming to Australia. A beautiful green finish, and we're protecting that investment with our gloss clear paint protection film, fully wrapping that car head to toe and keeping that investment nice and shiny and glossy and stone chip free. Thanks for tuning into the Friday Wrap. We'll see you next week.